Simplify 132 over 165 without using a calculator. So we've got 132 over 165. Now if you write both the numerator and the denominator as a product of its prime factors, then if you take 132 divided by 2, you're going to get 66. 66 divided by 2 is going to be 33. Then 3 goes into 33 11 times, and then 11 goes into 11 one time. So 132 is 2 squared times 3 times 11. 165, if you 2 doesn't go into it, but 3 does, 55 times, and then 5 goes into 55 11 times, and 11 goes into 11 one time. So we've got 132 over 165. So 132 is going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 11, and 165 is 3 times 5 times 11. And then doing a bit of cancelling, so the 3's cancel out and the 11's cancel out. So 132 over 165 becomes 2 times 2, which is 4 over 5. So this has been a video showing you how to split a simple fraction using prime factors. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.